Hey, travel enthusiast, ever thought about exploring a destination that's rich in culture, has breathtaking natural beauty, and is still off the beaten path? Let me introduce you to Bangladesh. First up, the cultural heritage. Dhaka, the vibrant capital, is a treasure trove of historical landmarks like the Lal Bagh Fort and Ahsan Manzil. Then there's Sonar Gaon, the Golden City, with its ancient ruins and the Folk Art Museum. And don't miss Mahasthangarh, one of the oldest archaeological sites in the country, dating back to the 3rd century BCE. Next, the Sundarbans. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is the largest mangrove forest in the world and home to the elusive Royal Bengal Tiger. Imagine exploring narrow rivers by boat, surrounded by untouched wilderness. For beach lovers, CoxsBazar is a must-visit. With the world's longest natural sea beach stretching over 120 kilometers, it's perfect for sunbathing, swimming and water sports. Nearby, you can explore Himchari Waterfall and St. Martin's Island, a coral paradise with crystal clear waters. Head to the Chittagong Hill Tracts for lush green hills and vibrant indigenous cultures. Trek through Bandarban and Rangamati, take a boat trip on Kaptai Lake and visit the Buddhist Golden Temple. In Sylhet, the stunning tea gardens are a sight to behold. Tour the tea estates, enjoy the serene beauty of places like Srimangal and the Ratagul swamp forest. Bangladesh is also home to incredible UNESCO World Heritage Sites like the 60 Dome Mosque in Bagerhat and the ancient Buddhist monastery of Somapura Mahavihara in Paharpur. And let's not forget the delicious cuisine. From Hilsa fish curry to biryani, your taste buds are in for a treat. Bangladesh is incredibly affordable and offers an untouched, authentic experience without the tourist crowd. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Bangladesh. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and hidden gems.